Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. App crashes can be super frustrating, but there are actually some really simple fixes you can try before getting stressed out. Step 1. Force close the app and reopen it. This sounds basic, but you'd be surprised how often this works. Just swipe up from the bottom of your screen or swipe down from the top right, find the app in your app switcher, and swipe it up to close it completely. Then tap the app icon to reopen it fresh. Step 2. Update the app to the latest version. Apps get bug fixes and improvements all the time. Head to the App Store, go to your profile, scroll down to see which apps have updates available, and tap Update next to the crashing app. Sometimes developers release patches specifically for crash issues. Step 3. Restart your iPhone. A full restart clears your device's cache and memory. Press your volume button and power button together, drag to power off, wait a few seconds, then power it back on. This often fixes temporary glitches that cause crashes. Step 4. Clear your device storage. When your iPhone storage gets too full, apps struggle to run properly. Go to Settings, tap General, then iPhone Storage. Delete apps you don't use, clear out old photos, or offload large apps temporarily to free up space. Step 5. Reinstall the app completely. If nothing else works, deleting and reinstalling gives you a fresh version. Long press the app icon, select Remove App, then Delete App. Go to the App Store and download it fresh. This removes any corrupted files causing the issue.